Okay, so here is a fun arm farm basic workout for the biceps and the triceps. I chose to start out with reverse curls with an easy bar because most people will neglect the forearm strength and the forearm size when it comes to building big arms. No sense of having big biceps and triceps and small forearms. So most people won't do the forearm work, so that's why we are putting it first. The first pair superset is with tricep extension with the easy bar. You can do this many different placings. I started with my elbows back and went to behind the head. You can do a typical nose breaker or take it to the forehead. That's your choice. The reps are 12s to 15s, 3 to 4 rounds, but the ultimate goal of this program is to get through in less than 30 minutes. So I went 3 rounds on my personal session of the reverse curl and extensions. Then I went into alternate arm steep incline dumbbell work. I will tell you I'm working on what is the best technique, studying a lot of John Meadows' stuff on YouTube with proper rotation of the hand and peaking to get a bigger bicep. These were done for 10 reps each, looking to supinate and trying to really squeeze at the top point of the curl. These were done with a pretty decent rhythm, extending the arm to full extension, rotating in, and trying to make that one smooth transition with the supinated position of the hands. Then we went to what I call a traditional straight bar push down for triceps. Really, this can be done anywhere between 15 and 20 reps per set. This is what I call just a standard rhythm rep, looking more for the pump. Generally, I use the push downs as more of what I really call my bodybuilding triceps, and I'll use my extension type of movements and closed grip benches for my strength work for the triceps. But again, this is going to be a high volume superset with the tricep. And then we finish out with 2 rounds of old school dumbbell concentration curl, 15 reps. Here again, I'm trying to extend, really stretch the arm in full length at the bottom and curling up to the highest point I can. Again, rhythm tempo. This is what I would call rhythm reps. And again, I believe you can push this if you really wanted to up to 25 reps. And this is, be aware of any injuries on one of my arms. I do have an elbow issue that I cannot fully extend all the way. So I'm very, very aware of that. But again, sometimes you just got to train around your range of motions, pick the proper loads to get and experience the pump that you want. We're going to finish up with, again, a traditional single arm overhead tricep extension. What I'm trying to do is keeping the elbow high and bringing the dumbbell to the opposite ear, trying to get the wrist to break parallel to the ground if possible. Depending on the load, depending on the injuries, depending on your range of motion and your shoulder flexibility, all that could change. But the goal is to keep the elbow as high as you can and work hard to take the dumbbell to the opposite ear, trying to get it down to the upper trap. Again, these sets here for the finishers, 15, 20, and I don't mind if you push it to 20.